In an August 2018 study of U.S. citizens, it was discovered that minimalism is more of an aspirational lifestyle than a commonplace one. 65% of those polled said they had no desire to become minimalists. Only 10% of people consider themselves minimalists, while 11% desire to be and 14% are actively working toward this objective. If you are one of the 90% of the population who isn't minimalist yet, and you need a guide to how to become a minimalist, this video is just for you. Stay with us as we give you a step-by-step guide through becoming a minimalist. Before we continue, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below to get a notification on our next video. A minimalist is someone who prefers to have fewer material possessions. They are not interested in the newest technology device or a new piece of furniture. They are content with what they have and do not yearn for more, better, or bigger things. They want to make their lives as simple as possible. When you refer to someone as a minimalist, you're describing their desire to keep things as basic as possible. A minimalist prefers the smallest possible quantity or degree of something. The minimalists were artists that used exceedingly simple gestures and concepts in their work throughout history. Becoming a minimalist holds quite some benefits. You may think you thrive on pressure and pace if you live a high-stress lifestyle, but once you take a step back, you will love the calm and isolation. You'll no longer feel guilty about being motionless, and you'll learn that doing less and being more is both attainable and rewarding. Silence also encourages you to meditate and clear your mind, which aids in the mental reinforcement of minimalism. You can conserve your decision-making talents for the things that matter when you remove the multitude of unending options. You'll be more confident in your decisions, and as a result, you'll be satisfied with your choices. You'll realize that you didn't need all of those goods to be happy after taking a break from purchasing and stockpiling. You'll start to think of happiness as an internal state rather than something you have to buy or chase. Lastly, becoming a minimalist can help you save up some money. For the average American, decluttering their house can bring as much as $2,000 to $10,000 from selling unwanted belongings. Changing your and your family's thinking is one of the most difficult aspects of becoming a minimalist. Becoming a minimalist can make you happier, but you'll need a happy base to build on first. Before you begin your adventure, take a moment to appreciate what you already have. Creating a list of things and people you value in your life can sometimes help you adjust your thinking and prioritize the things that matter the most. This will help you feel good about the lifestyle change you're about to embark on before you begin. Next, determine why you want to become a minimalist. Why are you embarking on your minimalist journey? You can better map out the steps to get there and stay motivated if you have a firm idea of that. Some people are drawn to the idea of simple living, while others simply wish to reduce their stress levels. Different things inspire people to continue to develop as individuals. Decide what minimalism means to you and get started, no matter what motivates you. As you'll see as you continue, changing your lifestyle can be difficult and time-consuming. It's easy to get caught up in the adventure and forget why you started in the first place. Next, get organized. Getting organized may involve so many aspects of your life, from your clothes to your financial account. Make sure you don't overlook any of them. Begin with the areas that bring you the greatest tension and work your way up. The majority of people struggle to keep their living room and closet clutter-free, so try to organize or plan your declutter. Next, get as many multi-purpose products as possible. Many multi-purpose products should be included in a minimalist lifestyle. They are extremely efficient and space-saving. Multi-purpose furniture, which ranges from tables that convert to beds to storage incorporated into stairwells, is a brilliant hack that's sweeping the tiny house world. Even if you don't live in a compact house, you can still make use of multi-purpose furniture and other goods. When an item serves several purposes, it maximizes its use, adds meaning to it, and eliminates clutter. In addition, allow yourself only a limited amount of storage space in the house, and then make that space as little as possible. It is preferable to have quality over quantity in this case. Nowadays, we can develop the undesirable habit of continually feeling compelled to fill space. This can lead to us amassing unnecessary possessions. When you concentrate on minor details like decorations or materials, you can tie the entire area together. Keep only the stuff that you adore, and that will fit in that space. Do this throughout your home, and you wind up with less stuff. Plus, you wouldn't have to worry about decluttering since you focus on space rather than items. Next, cut down your schedule. Being a minimalist entails not just letting go of tangible items, but also simplifying other aspects of your life, such as your schedule. Set aside some time for yourself. Schedule a few hours each week to focus on things you enjoy. With jobs, families, and other responsibilities, there will always be things to add to your schedule, but don't add more than you need. Make sure you have those hours set aside for yourself. It might be as easy as keeping a notebook of your ideas to refer to when things get tough. Another fantastic area to simplify is grocery lists and meal preparation. Make more deliberate judgments while preparing your meals to reduce the amount of money you spend and the amount of food you waste. You don't have to eat the same thing every day, but you should try to keep things simple. Request one favorite meal from each member of your family, and then rotate those meals throughout the week. You may add a new meal whenever you like, but having a few standard dishes relieves the stress of trying to come up with something different every night. You also decrease the amount of food you have to throw away by just buying the ingredients you need for the dishes you have prepared ahead of time. With these steps, you can become a minimalist in a very short amount of time. The moment you make up your mind to become a minimalist instead of follow these steps, you will become a minimalist. Becoming a minimalist is quite easy in terms of the external activities you will have to do. There are no degrees required, neither is there any cost. Instead of costing you, becoming a minimalist actually saves you money. While becoming a minimalist does not imply that you must spend less money, it does provide you the choice to do so. Because you're buying fewer things, you can afford to buy higher quality items that will last longer. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching this video. Please share your opinions in the comments section below, and remember to click the subscribe button to be the first person to watch new videos on this channel.